Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review and install the EVC throttle controller on a 2020 bt50. Same as the D-Max, this one. So here's a controller here. I'm going to unbox it for you quickly. When it comes out. There we go. So as you can see there, that's it there. And you got your wires here. This goes between the throttle cable and the throttle, and then you plug that onto the end here. So I'll go ahead, I'll show you how to take the old one off and put this on. Enjoy the video. So here we are in the car now. I've got the plug here that goes onto the controller, onto the accelerator. Just got my phone down there, but I'm going to stick mine down here. So I'm going to run the wire up. Just grab it through here. So we've got that through there. It'll come up under here. Don't know how much you can see on the video. But you got to plug up here on top of your accelerator. So you just unplug it. It's a lot easier than the Navara I used to have. So you just unplug it like that. I'll just put the GoPro over here for a second. Sorry about this. And then we'll grab the other wire here. We'll plug that one into there. So you can see there's two sides. We'll plug that into there. That plugged in. Then you got the other side that goes back onto the top of the accelerator. Stop there. You hear that click in, so now it's tied in there. Try to get the camera up there so you can see. Yeah, that's it up there. Then we've run our wire to here. I'm going to put my controller up here so I can see it and change it when I'm on the beach or in the bush or towing. So that will go up there. We'll quickly go grab the control part now. It has a double-sided tape on the back of it as well. So this one I'm going to put up here, just on the dash so I can see it. I'll go ahead and do that now. So I've just quickly plugged it in. It's a little hard with one hand trying to do it and hold the camera at the same time. But I'll go ahead, I'll clean this up here and I'll come back to you in a second. So gone ahead, stuck it on there. I'll turn the car on now. It's all working, as you can see there. And you got your mode on here. So you got economy and ultimate, and over here you change it to what setting you want to set it at. And you also got auto control as well, so it just when you put your foot down on the accelerator, it reads how hard you put it down. And then that's off just to normal again. So we'll go for a drive now and we'll let you know how it goes. So we're off for a drive now to test the iDrive out. I've got it on ultimate too. We'll see how it goes anyway. Well, we'll put it on maybe we'll put it on none for now, just turn it off. And then after I'll put it on like ultimate and see how it goes. See what all the hype is about. So we'll just stick it on 0, like normal accelerator at the moment. And we'll see how that goes. So you can't really tell. You won't be able to tell much in a video. But that's on normal, it feels sluggish. Put it on economy, feels even worse. You put it on ultimate and without moving your foot anywhere, it actually picks up a fair bit. So yeah, Ultimate, I've got it on Ultimate 2, which feels, you can definitely feel the difference in, I don't know, whatever it does. It definitely feels a lot nicer than driving it standard. So I rate this from having no iDrive to having an iDrive. I would definitely get one. My car is auto. So yeah, it's really good actually. It definitely picks up in the power or torque or whatever. It doesn't change your power, but you can definitely feel the difference. We are off on a trip tomorrow, heading out to Northern Territory. I'm going for a month, so subscribe to the channel and you'll see plenty more videos coming along. We're off to Lorella Springs. On the way we'll be going to the Qantas museum as well. So enjoy the video.
Yeah, I've been just picking on pieces for you. Think about